market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is what happened in Nifty today. This is the daily candle of Nifty. We had drawn this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap, and looks like Nifty is going south. So it's just a preliminary analysis. Let's do it in detail as usual. Let's delete all our drawings from yesterday and start afresh with the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is that analysis so quick? Because the low made in August was much higher than the low made in April, and so this is the new level set by the buyers. So here are the buyers, and they are protecting it tooth and nail, and that's still protected. So that's why Nifty is bullish. Higher low is bullish. Important level of buyers is the August low. Important level of sellers is the previous all-time high that was made in September 2024. These are the only two levels on a monthly time frame, and the bias is bullish. On a weekly time frame, Nifty was bearish and Nifty still is bearish because it has made a lower high. This high is lower than this high. It has made a lower high. Anything further to look here? Yes, there's a flat top here. Let me just mark. Looks like sellers are stationed there. They are protecting that level. There is no weekly close above that level, so that's a good level to watch out for a weekly close. But I don't know if it will help in intraday trading or trading in like shorter swing trades. So well, I've just marked it. I hadn't been marking it till yesterday, but today it looks very enticing. On a daily time frame, Nifty was bearish. Nifty still is bearish because this is a swing high and this is the next swing high. So it has made a lower high. And on a daily time frame, these are interesting time frames because these are actionable in the shorter time frames and for trading ideas. Now, if Nifty decides to go south, this is where the sellers are stationed. This would be the level for this is where the buyers are stationed. I'm sorry, and this is the level that the sellers would like to defeat. The SL of these buyers would make a great move. So that is 24,571 on a daily time frame, and so that bias is bearish. Now going over to the 4-hour time frame. On a 4-hour time frame, Nifty was not sure. So now this is a swing high and this is a lower high. So that has become bearish. Are there any important levels? No important levels. The target is the same. Moving over to the hourly time frame. The hourly time frame is confusing because it opened slight gap up and was bought all the way up and then got sold all the way down. So this was a swing high. That swing high was taken, and then a new swing high was created, and a lower high was also created. So if you see, there's also a higher low created. So in this scenario, we do the closer buyer seller analysis. Like for example, let's analyze this scenario. There was good buying from this level, bought to this level, sellers stationed here, sellers sold it from that level. Now the buyers here have come up and started buying at this level, but the sellers here have come all the way down here and sold down from this level. So who's winning right now? As the sellers, and the bias is bearish. All time frames except the monthly time frame is bearish. It's a good setup for an intraday trade, but since I'm traveling with family, I may not be available in the market for trade. I feel sad. This is a good setup for a bearish trade. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst, and this is not a trade idea. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.